Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new here, I'm Princess Glam Makeup. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I think it could be difficult to get a smoky eye, so I pick up a few tips and tricks without looking too overpowering when we applied our smoky eyes. It is a lot of work, but I feel like when you've done, it's definitely worth it. So you guys are interested in this smoky eye, and then keep on watching. First thing we want to do is apply an eyeshadow base by Kiko. And I'm using my finger. It gives me a nice even distribution all over the lid. I feel like this primer actually dries pretty and quickly, so to use fingers and brush, that's the job. It just applies it really evenly and just really quickly so the base looks perfect on the eyelids. And you can see my lids are like naturally, so this cancels everything out, so it gives me a nice base. And you can use any concealer to even out the skin tone. Next, also a very important step when you are doing a smoky eyes is to set a translucent powder. I'm going to dump the mini sponge in my entire lid, so we're going to make everything nice and smooth. Also, this is gonna be the base for the smoky eye. We are using the scotch tape technique, so that's gonna be what I'm doing today. And get a piece of tape under. You don't need a ton. This is probably about the amount you need to use. You can really learn to place this. Just follow along where your lower lash line curves, and that's about where the piece of tape should go. I'm going to take this Naked Palette Cayenne eyeshadow with 2245 brush by MAC. I'm going to apply it right on top from this all the way up to my crease. And you can use any eyeshadow palette that you have it. And the important is use eyeshadow that closer to this color. Just blending this all the way in your crease, going from inner corner and the outer corner. This is a really beautiful warm tone brownish kind of shades. And I'm just going to from the inner corner to the outer corner, just blending my brush back and forth. Again, the brush I'm using is 2245 brush by MAC. This is one of my favorite blending brush to blend the transition shade in my crease. Don't make apply too low like a straight in the crease. You want to apply a little bit high, and don't be afraid to blend it up a bit higher towards the eyebrow. This is only gonna make it look even better at the end, so you have to trust me. And I just kept blending like this. Definitely took some time. And now we will use a Pupa Eye Kohl pencil. This is my favorite. I'm going to apply in my eyelid. It doesn't have to be a perfect or a very neat because we will be smudging this in just a bit. And now I'm going to dip a flat fluffy brush by MAC. I'm going to start smudging the eye pencil that I just used. This is gonna be a make transition from eye kohl pencil toward the brown colored colors I applied in the crease to look more smooth. Now in this video, I'm gonna use Too Faced Chocolate, such a beautiful palette. I'm gonna start with the color Triple Fudge. I applied it all over the eyelid. This is a matte dark brown shade. I'm applying it on the top of the eye kohl pencil to kind of lock it in place, and also blending the black eyeshadow right above the edges of where I just applied the kohl eye pencil. I'll take a big fluffy brush that I use and I'll go over the crease colors just to make it sure that there are no harsh lines and everything looks blended as possible. And I'm using a very light hand for this. Now that is complete, go ahead and remove that piece of tape and you should be left with a very clean and very nice line. So to intensify this eye, I'm going to go into this color right here. It's called semi-sweet. I'm going to intensify kind of this crease area. For the next step, I'm going again with the eye kohl pencil. I'm applying this all the way in the waterline. Then I went back in with the palette chocolate Too Faced, the shadow milk chocolate, and taking 214 brush by MAC. It's like a really tiny brush. I'm applying a fading eyeshadow underneath the lower lash line, and I'm gonna smudge it all the way. And the next thing I'm going to do is some highlighter in my brow bone, and I apply Marzipan by Too Faced. And grab a smaller brush and get the lightest color on there so you can pop that into your inner corner just to brighten. And this eye look, I'm going to be using the Lash Ardor Lashes with Dual Lash Glue. And that completes the look. I really hope you enjoy it. This is perfect for special occasions or just an evening out. Please hit the subscribe button, and if you missed my previous tutorials, you can click on this now. If there's anything else you want to see, just let me know in the comments down below. And I'm thinking of maybe doing how to contour your nose because I really want to share in my own techniques. But if you have any other ideas, just let me know. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope to see you watching my next video.